Union Budget 2025, markets brace for volatility as investors await key announcements. GIFT Nifty is pointing to a cautious start despite the backdrop of strong positive global cues at Wall Street in overnight trade. The cautious start is quite obvious as the trading theme for the day shall revolve around investors bracing for the Union Budget 2025 to be presented in Parliament at 11 a.m. by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. In the previous Union Budget 2024 presented on 23 July 2024, Nifty ended with marginal decline, down 0.12% lower closing at 24,479 mark. What to expect in Budget 2025? 1. The street is expecting a continued push for economic reforms that have seen India emerge as the world's fastest growing major economy. 2. Income tax relief to boost consumption. 3. No hike in STT or LTCG. 4. To push for infrastructure growth, higher capital expenditure is need of the hour. 5. Simplifying taxes, especially GST rationalization. 6. Budget must focus on development of AI. 7. MSME and strengthen agriculture sector value chain. 8. Ease of doing business, incentives for technology and digital transformation. Some real fireworks quite likely at Dalal Street if the FM Nirmala Sitharaman is able to prove to the big investors across globe that the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's magic is still on. Long story short, we will spy with one big eye if FM Sitharaman's Union Budget 2025-26 can be won in a century budget which takes Nifty straight above the 25,500 mark. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's positive session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 1189 crores while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 2232 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating rebound from an oversold conditions on the daily charts. FANO January month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,000 to 24,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index has cooled towards 16.24 levels. At last check, USD INR was in demand at 86.58. Nifty PCR, 27th February, is at 1.15 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 27th February, is at 0.89. Nifty outlook, Nifty may trade volatile on backdrop of the Union Budget 2025. Nifty, CMP 23508. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 23,000 mark. Immediate intraday resistance is placed only at 23,677 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,300 and 23700. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 49587. Bank Nifty's biggest support now seen at 49,000 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 50,397 mark closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 49,000 and 50,300. Bias for the day is neutral. Bullish traders did witness a pre-budget rally in yesterday's trade. The positive takeaway from yesterday's trade was that Nifty gathered some more pace to regain bullish composure as the winning streak continued for fourth straight day. The positive catalyst, pre-budget optimism, 64% of industrialists confident in India's growth, 60% project GDP growth of 6.5% to 6.9% in FY26, FICSI. That said, despite the surge, the unwinding of long positions at Dalal Street is not showing any signs of fatigue, especially from the FII scam. In January month, FIIs have sold to the tune of Rs 87,375 crores.